going back to the start, obviously planes were riveted together, and as time's gone by, glues came into that equation, and then that all needed to be processed under vacuum.
And now you've got drones, you've got UAVs, you've got all these different applications where actually a metallic mold will take so much cost and time to make, and they probably will reiterate quite quickly.
So taking weight out and replacing with something that's stronger and lighter is why composites exist in that market. And 787 and obviously it's in the news at the moment, but I'll talk about that. A350, so they are the two large twin aisle long range jets in the market that are both basically fully composite. So